This exhibition brings together ceramic works created by a group of mothers and carers who took part in a series of wheel-throwing workshops exploring creativity, respite, and shared experience. The pots you see here are more than crafted objects. They are traces of conversation, laughter, silence, and care. Throughout the sessions, participants spoke of how time spent at the wheel allowed them to forget all of the little things you always have to worry about in life. For some, the rhythmic touch of clay became a form of grounding. Instead of feeling my feet, I ground myself through my hands. Others described the studio as a rare space to be pampered for a little bit. These moments of making were as much about listening as shaping. Around the wheel, talk turned to emotional labour of care. The loneliness that can coexist with love, the exhaustion balanced by joy, and the deep, sustaining pride in their children's difference. One mother said, "I wouldn't have changed it for a minute, because all of the rewards outweigh the struggles." Each vessel, then, holds more than clay. It holds fragments of shared stories and resilience. The forms may appear quiet, but within them are conversations about motherhood, identity, and renewal. Together, they remind us that creativity can offer both solace and solidarity, a place to be still, to shape, and to heal.